just had a whole catastrophe. Fucking jack stands wouldn't sit on that big ass truck.
You ain't got no blocks or nothing. Yeah,
Like bricks and shit under here. Yeah, I got a tire under the front tire. Oh yeah, I got that sitting on the tire because it just ain't work out for me. Jack stand's too small. Now I'm about to do this one. I'll be able to jack it back up, but go ahead. I wanted to show y'all this tool in action. Don't be scared of it.
Oh, I ain't scared. I can't damn see. One damn thing. That's my problem.
2023 Ultra Torque in work. That's auto mode. Look, just hold. When you hit it, just hold it. It's in auto mode.
Okay.
Watch this. Just slow down by. You see that? You got one? Yeah. Just hold it. Slow down and everything by itself, right? That was pretty dope.
Yeah.
Told you all you gotta do is hold the trigger. It's in auto.
Yeah.
That's dope, ain't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Should do all the work for you.
Yeah.
5'3", been in the machine shop. I've sitting here for over a year or two, so I probably gotta go back through it. It still got the zinc and stuff on the walls though. And I probably would just hit it with the what's it called? Them home balls and the dingle balls. I got the crank in. Cam, there's no pistons in there. All that stuff, that's zinc.
Big.
Oh, fuck. This is what I was gonna build for the dunk. Start over, you gotta start over. Take them all the way over. I told you that it's a smart screwdriver. It's
I know.
by itself. Pull back. Yeah. Put it in the center cap.
Yeah.
Hercules Ultra Torque at work. Auto mode. It's off. It got a lip on there. If you see, it ain't no more screws. You want me to do it?
No, I got you, bro. I got it. I get out where I can see.
Hold it. We're gonna sit this right here in front of the garage.
Yeah.
I'll move it for you.
Yes.
Grab this.
I'm getting like,
This nigga wanna do everything.
he don't need to be.
Hey, what I did, bro? There you go. There you go.
Grab a wheel out the trunk.
Yep. Give you them lugs. There you go. You gonna do that? Get it, baby.
You got it.
I ain't cross the red right there. What I just gave you.
I got it.
Okay. Hey, baby, what is that? G. That my for real. You got one. That's it, right there.
No.
Yeah.
No, they got the center cap.
All right.
No, don't worry about that.
I know. He gonna push it in.
Mm-hmm.
He gonna be fucked up when by the time he get here, boy. Not just leaving Paris. Shit.
We be back sitting in the car.
Mm-hmm. All right, get your ass that way.
All right, now look. Let me see.
I see it.
Let me see.
He's the first one down here.
But no, you gotta
The first one down
you gotta
here.
see them. They gonna see.
Yeah.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah.
Hit one.
I get it on the bottom. You got them do that. Fuck.
There you go. Make sure they keep moving.
Yeah. Big. Let's see.
No, you gotta do all of them and then go over them again.
That one doing that? Going over it now.
You did all of them already?
Yeah. Going over it. Make yeah. Something right here.
Kinda like
I see it. That's it.
right on the top of the dome.
When they say you, that means he has something going. Hey, baby. When they say you, that means something going.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. It's done. That's done deal. Done deal. Somebody moving over.
We done.